you can't see it. Saw you at the edge of the day, eyes on the ground like you lost your place. But every small thing you do keeps the world turning for someone. The way you check in without a word, the way you carry more than they'll ever know. It's all there in the spaces no one claps for. You matter, not for what you give away, not for the parts you hide. You matter for every breath, every truth, every quiet way you stay. I've seen you in the middle of the mess, holding steady when no one else could. You thought it was nothing, but I swear it was everything. You don't have to stand taller than you are. You don't have to wear the weight like it's yours alone. I see you, and when the noise fades out, you're still here. The kind that makes the room feel safe without saying a word. Every mile you walked is proof. Every late night, every early start, they add up to you. You matter for the way you keep showing up. You matter for the laugh that slips out when you forget to guard it. You matter, not because you're trouble, because you are. You matter. Oh.